Hi, my name is Steve Williams with Houston Water Heaters. We get calls every day about water heaters. Our most popular phone call is, how do I light my pilot? So I'm going to show you quickly how to do that. The first bit of information is stop and read the safety information. We recommend you do that. This is the normal setting on your heater. It's 120 degrees, these two triangles. Instruction number 2 says to turn it as low as it'll go. That's all the way over here to pilot lighting. You see that? So now we've accomplished that. We're going to move on to the next step. This is in the on position, and you're going to want to move it from there to light the pilot. So we're going to turn it. When you put it to the pilot position, you'll go all the way down. Once you get it here, you're going to hold it down, then you're going to press this green button. That creates a spark that travels down here to the firebox, lights the pilot. You won't hear anything, you won't see anything because it's all sealed off in here. After 60 seconds, let off. We just released this button. The next step is to take this out of the pilot mode and put it back in the on mode. So we turn it over here to on. Now as we bring it up, you're going to hear a click. When you hear that click, you're also going to hear the burner ignite. You should be able to hear it as I bring this up. That was it. And that means the heater fired. That means the pilot is burning or it wouldn't have fired. Set it at 120 and you've done a good job.